Yes, bete, we are going to start case studies, and in that case studies, first question we are taking from the probability. So one of the student is going to read. Let us start.
The random variable x has a probability distribution px of the following form, where k is some number. Px is equals to k if x is equals to 0, 2k if x is equals to 1, 3k if x is equals to 2, and 0 otherwise. On the following information, give the answers of the following questions. First, the value of k is.
See, we need to calculate the value of k. For calculating the value of k, we must be knowing p0 plus p1 plus p2 plus p otherwise, means greater than 2 I am writing. So it is k plus 2k plus 3k plus 0. Sum of all the probabilities is 1. So it will be 6k equals to 1, or the value of k is 1 upon 6. This is the very first question. We were supposed to calculate the value of k. Second part,
Px is equals to 2 is equals to.
Px equals to 2 equals to x equals to 2, it is 3k. So its probability will be 3 into 1 by 6, that implies to 1 by 2. So the value of Px equals to 2 is 1 by 2. Next.
Px is greater than 2 is equals to.
Px is greater than 2. X greater than 2 is 0. The probability for this particular condition will be 0.
Px is smaller than 2 is equals to.
Px less than 2. Less than 2 means it will be P0 plus P1, and the value of P0 is k and P1 is 2k. So altogether it becomes 3k. That means 3 into 1 by 6 or 1 by 2 is less than 2.
X is smaller than 0 and smaller than 0 and greater than 2.
X is
Greater than 0
and smaller than
2.
means greater than 0 and smaller than 2 is only 1, that is 2k. So 2 into 1 by 6, that implies to 1 by 3 is the value of the given condition. Okay.
The sum of the surface areas of a rectangular parallelepiped with sides x, 2x and x by 3 and a sphere of radius y is given to be constant.
See, the surface area. Total surface area of parallelepiped is 2LB plus BH plus HL plus surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square is given as constant. Right? Let us put the values of these things. 2x into 2x plus 2x into x by 3 plus x by 3 into x plus 4 pi, radius is nothing,
y.
Radius is y square, equals to k. This much information is given to us, and with this we are going to calculate the value of y. So value of y, first of all I am writing 4 pi y square is equals to k minus, how much it is coming? So we have got y in terms of x. Maybe in the question they might ask x in terms of y, then also we can convert. So let us see now first part what they are going to say us.
Let the constant be s, then relation between x and y is.
Constant is s. I have taken it k. So now we will see as per the requirement. With the relation between x and y is. So relation between x and y, we need to write the previous step. So that will be 6x square plus 4 pi y square equals to s, because s is said as the surface area. This is the relation between x and y.
If the combined volume is denoted by V,
Combined volume is denoted by V, we need to find the volume. So volume of the rectangular parallelepiped means the volume of the cuboid, and cuboid has volume L into B into H plus volume of sphere. So volume of LBH, that is x into 2x into x by 3 will be 2x cube by 3 plus volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, r is y, so plus 4 by 3 pi y cube. This will be the volume of the combined solid. So we have got the volume of the two things. So volume of the parallelepiped, that is in the shape of cuboid, plus volume of sphere. Now third part is,
if V is minimum, then relation between X and Y is.
if V is minimum, then relation between x and y is, V is minimum. For minimum, what we need to do? Volume, we need to convert it into one term. So 2x cube by 3 plus 4 by 3 pi. The value of y we are going to put from there, k.